Hey guys, it's Romani and I'm back with another video. If you're not sure who I am and you've never seen any of my videos before, make sure you hit the subscribe button. My channel is geared toward beauty, health, and empowerment. Today we have a beauty video. I am going to be trying out Clean and Clear's Deep Action Exfoliating Scrub. So if you've been wanting to purchase this product or you just like skincare videos, keep watching. So I actually went to the store to buy this. This is the orange one and it's called the Morning Burst Facial Scrub. I actually have another skincare video using this and I'll link that down below. I use it every single day and I don't have any problems with it. I actually really like this product. So yeah, I went to the store to go buy this and some more of this too. This is the Deep Cleaning Astringent. This is also in my other skincare video, my morning skincare video. But when I was looking for that, I found this. And like I said, this is the Deep Action Exfoliating Scrub. So I just figured I would get this one and test it out and see which one I like better. These were, I want to say like either $5 or $7. Yeah, very cheap. I got them from, oh, shoot, it's spilling. Everything is spilling. Oh my god. Okay, so I got them from Kroger and yeah, they were super affordable and the orange one works well with my skin. So we are going to see how the blue one works and if you guys should purchase it and if I wasted my money or not. So keep watching. Okay, so this is how my skin looks. I just got done working out, so my skin is sweaty and it is oily, so I'm really hoping that this stuff works. But I'm going to be using the Clean and Clear Deep Action Exfoliating Scrub and it is oil free. I'm just putting a small amount on my hands and then I'm wetting my face off camera and I'm going to begin massaging this product into my face. So just some feedback about this product. I expected like some big woo-ha moment because it said exfoliating. Like I'm expecting dead skin to be just falling off my face, which was not the case. It actually felt literally just like the orange one. But maybe I need like one of those face brushes. I don't know, maybe that was the problem, me using my hands. But yeah, it literally felt just like the orange one. But I do this step for like 2 to 3 minutes, so as I continue to do this step, I will say that my face got like a little bit tingly. And the product just smells like low-key blueberries and then like something that would like detox your skin. So it smells like it cleans really good, but it literally cleans the same as the orange one. So after I massage the products into my face, I'm just going to take a wet washcloth and then begin just scrubbing my face. And I do a little bit more off of camera, just like with scrubbing my face and stuff like that. And then I'm just taking my big dry towel and just patting my face dry. I can't really go hard like I want to because of my nose ring. I don't want it to get snagged out. So this is kind of how I have to dry my face. And then this is how my skin is looking after I just washed with the scrub. But now we're going to go in with the Clean and Clear Essentials Deep Cleaning Astringent, and this is also oil free. I always use this. I use this every day, so I already know what to expect with this. But I just put it on a cotton ball, and then I'm just going to literally put it all over my face, like on my eyelids, my lips, everywhere, my neck, literally everywhere. This product tingles like right when you put it on your face, so I definitely recommend this. I've been using this for a very long time. And this is how my face is looking after both the scrub and the astringent. So, you know, I mean, it was the same as I was gonna get with the orange one. My face does feel like a little bit cleaner than it usually would, but it was basically the same. So yeah, you can really get the orange one or the blue one. But thank you guys for watching this video. Don't forget to follow me on Instagram at XO_Romani, and I will see you in my next video.